Alright, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're working on the 2019. As y'all know, I did have the drag struts on. I recently put those on, but I have taken them off to replace them with the Marvin shorts right there. Is two reasons that I am taking those drag struts off. Maybe three reasons. That bike is not a dedicated drag race bike, so I do ride it still. I mean, it's still rideable. So the struts make the front end so light. I mean, I think together, sitting right there, they may weigh 2 pounds maybe together. And when you're riding, just say you're riding on straight highway or straight road, any slight movement, any slight turn of the handlebar, I mean, it doesn't even have to be a hard turn. Either you'll be in the next lane about to run off the road, or you're losing control. So I mean, for safety reasons, I'm just gonna take them off and replace them with, the Marvin shorts. I mean, the Marvin shorts, they are light too. They're way lighter than the stock shorts, but they're heavier than the Struts, and they're actually shorts. So I'm gonna weigh each one of these so we can see, how much they weigh, how much weight that we'll be losing on the front end. So let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna start with the stock shocks. £12.6 for the OEM shocks. Okay, next we're gonna start with the drag struts. Hopefully they read on here. Yeah, they so light, the scale, not even turning on. See, I'm gonna push on the scale to try to make it turn on. And reading at 0.0. I think they at least weigh a pound a piece. So I'm gonna say at least 2 pounds for the struts. Okay, now we're gonna put the Marvin shorts on. Scale not turning on. See, those went 0.0. I know that's not true. I probably have to look on the website. I think they weigh 3 pounds together. I mean, 3 pounds a piece. So okay, so the OEM shorts together weigh 12.6 pounds. They may be a little heavier than that. They feel heavier than that. I'll look online to make sure, what's the weight of each one of these. I'm pretty sure the Marvin shorts weigh 3 pounds a piece. And the drag struts, I'm pretty sure they weigh between 1 to 2 pounds a piece. So, but I'll look online to make sure. And then I could add everything up to see, how much weight we're losing or gaining. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on, and we're gonna see, how they look and how they feel. Okay, just a quick look before I mount this up. This is what it looked like outside of that green wrapping. I think they're nitrogen shots. I may be able to get away with putting air in them. See, they're 12 inches long. It says 250 psi. And that can be removed, that cap right there. That's how you put the air in, put the nitrogen in, whatever you're gonna put on them. Okay, and another thing, if you do end up buying a pair of these or buying a set, you see how that much space, you got some wiggle room if it'll focus in. You got a lot of wiggle room. They do come with these spacers right here, so you can put those spacers in between there. So I'm gonna figure out how many I need to put in so it won't be wiggling so much. Alright, I got this side on. Got 2 spacers at the top. Got 2 down at the bottom. So I'm gonna finish this other side up and we should be good. Okay, so as y'all know, the Marvin shots do require nitrogen, to pump them up. So in order for me to do that, I ordered a nitrogen like refill kit from eBay. It comes with everything that you need. It does come with a tank. The tank will be empty when you get it, so you may have to go to like your local, I guess, welding shop or your local gas shop to get it filled. But the kit pretty much comes with everything that you need. Got the hose with the pressure gauge. Like I said, it does come with a tank that you will have to get filled. It comes with the attachment that you will need to put it onto the shock. So I'm gonna get the hose bolted up onto the tank, and then we're gonna fill the shocks up. Okay, so got the shocks on, got them pumped up, and that's pretty much it. I had to do a separate video on how to use that nitrogen tank to fill them up, because I had to kind of learn myself as I was going along. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next upload.